Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to increase in your Tunisian crochet project at the beginning of your forward pass. So I like to use this method of increase in my project because it gives very nice neat edge and neatly looking increase. So what would you do? Normally we don't work into the first stitch because we already have one loop on our hook, but in increase row I like to do one Tunisian simple stitch into this first bar, like so. So you go from right to left. Under the very first vertical bar you yarn over and pull up a loop, like so, and then you continue crocheting in your Tunisian crochet project as you would normally do, and the front vertical bars. Okay, and then we do the end stitch, and we will do one return row or return pass together. So we will do yarn over, pull through 2 all the way to the end. Okay, and now if you need to increase again, so you already see, I'll put my little swatch down, you already see that there is increase stitch because you see that these rows are straight and we already start to slant the row slightly to the right. So what we did next, again we would work into the very first vertical bar that we normally skip. What you need to be mindful of if you increase this way, the consecutive stitch tends to kind of hide under the increase stitch, so you really need to make sure that you work into this bar as well. Otherwise you would increase in one stitch and increase in the next, increase in one row and decrease in the next row. You wouldn't have an even increase. And if we work right to the end, work under the both bars, the end stitch, and return, do the return pass. Okay, now after the second row you can see that the increase start to be more prominent. If you need to increase further, you would again work into the very first vertical bar, like so. Okay, and that's it. That's how you increase in your Tunisian crochet project into the first vertical bar.